Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 10th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now start your second chapter is polynomial and this is your sixth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about some question related to polynomial and also we discuss different type of question related to division algorithm. In today lecture we solve some different types of question related to polynomial. That is, our first question is if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx is equal to 6x square plus x minus 2, find the value of this alpha plus alpha beta. Second one 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Third one alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. Now solving this type of question, first we write the given that given alpha and beta are the zeros of fx equal to 6x square plus x minus 2, and on comparing the general form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, we get the value of abc. Small a is equal to 6, small b is equal to 1 and small c is equal to minus 2. Now we know that the format sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, putting the value of b and a minus 1 by 6, and product of zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a, putting the value of this minus 2 upon 6. Solving this we get minus 1 by 3. That is, we get alpha plus beta is equal to this and alpha into beta equal to this. Now for first alpha plus alpha beta, this alpha plus alpha dot beta, put the value of alpha plus beta this and put the value of alpha into beta this, plus minus minus, solving this minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 and this taken as LCM 6, we get minus 1 minus 2 upon 6. Now this get minus 3 by 6, solving this we get minus 1 by 2. This is the value of alpha plus alpha dot beta. For second one 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Solving this, first we simplify this. Alpha and beta taken as a LCM, alpha beta, we get a beta plus alpha. Beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta with same. Alpha plus beta value is minus 1 by 6, putting in numerator minus 1 by 6 and in denominator minus 1 by 3. Minus minus cancel out and this convert into this form 1 by 6 into 3 by 1. Solving this we get 1 by 2. This is the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Now we move to third part, alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. Now it's reduced to simplest, beta alpha taken as LCM, alpha beta, there is a alpha square plus beta square. In denominator we know the value of alpha into beta, but we can't know the value of alpha square plus beta square, and we reduce this into a format using alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Now alpha square plus beta square put here plus 2 alpha beta, transferring this side we get alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. In place of alpha square plus beta square, putting this alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha beta. Alpha plus beta, we know the value of this minus 1 by 6 whole square. Alpha into beta, we know the value of minus 1 by 3 upon minus 1 by 3. Solving this minus 1 by 6 whole square, which gives 1 upon 36, minus minus plus, and 2 into this we get 2 by 3 upon minus 1 by 3. In numerator solving we get 1 plus 24 upon 36 upon minus 1 by 3. Solving this in numerator 25 upon 36 upon minus 1 by 3. This gives minus 25 upon 36 into 3 by 1. We simplify, we get minus 25 by 12. And this is the value of this form alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. Now we move to next question. If the product of zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus k is 3, then write the value of k. In this question, product of zeros are given and we find the value of k. Now product of zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus k is 3. Here on comparing the general form we get small a is equal to 1, small b is equal to minus 4 and small c is equal to k. We know that the product of zeros is equal to c by a, which is the format, and product of zeros are given as 3. So in place of product of zeros we put 3, in place of c we put k, in place of a we put 1. 3 is equal to k by 1, and solving this we get k is equal to 3. So we get the value of k is equal to 3. Now we move to next question. If minus 4 is a 0 of the polynomial x square minus x minus in bracket 2k plus 2, then find the value of k. In this question, one zeros are given, that is minus 4 are the one zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus 2k plus 2, and we find the other zeros. And one zeros are given minus 4 of this polynomial, which means x equal to minus 4 satisfy this polynomial, and polynomial are given. In place of x we put x equal to minus 4, so it gives 0, that is minus 4 whole square minus in bracket minus 4 minus 2k plus 2 in bracket equal to 0. Solving this, minus 4 square, that is 16, minus minus plus 4, and minus 2k, and this minus plus minus 2. Solving this, we get 18 minus 2k is equal to 0. We get k is equal to 9. So in this question, value of k is 9. Now we move to next question. If one zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 1 is 2 plus root 3, write the other zeros. If this question are given in OMCQ, so we can find this easily. 2 plus root 3 are given, and this is the irrational form, so it's convert 2 minus root 3. And for solving this in pattern stepwise, so solution is given. First of all, you write the given that in this question 2 plus root 3 is the one of the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 1, and we assume other zeros as a alpha. Let other zero will be alpha. And for solving this, for the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 1, for comparing the general form, we get small a is equal to 1, small b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 1. And we know that the pattern of sum of 0 is equal to minus b by a. And in place of b we put the value of minus 4, minus minus 4. In place of a we put the value of 1, that is 1. And the sum of zeros, first zeros is alpha, and second zeros are given alpha plus beta, that is 2 plus root 3, and minus minus plus, that is gives plus 4 by 1, and alpha plus 2 plus root 3. Transferring these two number in this side, plus 2 transferring to that side, we get minus 2, plus root 3 goes to that side, we get minus root 3, 4 minus 2, 2 root 3, that is other zeros is 2 minus root 3. This is the format of this question. On behalf of today's lecture, you can solve your homework. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1, find the value of alpha square plus beta square, which is first, and alpha square beta plus beta square alpha, this is second. Second one, if 1 and minus 2 are two zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10, find its third zeros. On behalf of today's lecture, you can solve this and try some different types of question related to polynomial. And this is your last lecture in this chapter. Next time we start a new chapter number 3, and you will be prepared for test of chapter number 2. Thank you.